Hello everyone and welcome to today's Zoom meeting hosted by AGT. My name is Rohit Parmar and I am the CEO of AGT. Guys, I am excited to have you all here today as we dive into some frequently asked questions. These questions are important to address as they are common concerns among our investors. I am sharing my screen to all of you and we will go through the questions one by one to ensure that everyone has a clear understanding. So guys, let's get started. With the very first question, everyone asked me that please tell us a brief history about yourself and your career path in software engineering programming. So guys, let me tell you about myself. I am Rohit Parmar, as you all know my name, a skilled software engineer from Delhi, India, with expertise in AI and Java programming. My passion for technology and problem solving led me to pursue a degree in computer science from a reputed university, where I honed my programming skills and gained hands-on experience in software development. After completing my education, I started my career as a software engineer at a leading MNC in India. Over the years, I demonstrated exponential proficiency in programming and quickly rose through the ranks to become a key member of the team. My expertise in AI and Java programming enabled me to work on some of the most complex and challenging projects of my clients. My strong problem-solving skills, coupled with my attention to detail, helped me deliver outstanding results for my clients, earning me several accolades and recognition with the industry. As my career progressed, I took up new opportunities to work with MNCs in Greece, further expanding my knowledge and expertise in the field of software engineering. I continue to excel in my work, earning the respect of my colleagues and peers alike. Today, I am a seasoned software engineer with over a decade of experience in the industry. My passion for technology and programming continues to drive me towards excellence, and I am committed to staying at the forefront of the latest developments in the field. So guys, this was about me. Now let's move to the another one. But I have a request to people. Please do not send the request to request me to record this meeting because it is kind of distracting everyone. Okay, so now let's move to the another one, which is what passion or vision you desire pushed you to create the AGT system. So guys, when someone asks me what passion or vision or desire pushed me to create the AGT system, my answer is that I have always been passionate about technology and finance. I was fascinated by the power of AI and its potential to revolutionize the financial industry, and I wanted to leverage this technology to create a platform that could help investors and traders make better investment decisions. I realized that there was a significant opportunity in the market for an AI-driven arbitrage trading system that could identify profitable trading opportunities across multiple markets and execute trades automatically. I saw this as an opportunity to combine my passion for technology and finance to create something that could benefit both individual investors and financial institutions. My vision for AGT was to create a platform that could provide investors and traders with real-time actionable insights into the markets and help them make more informed investment decisions, guys. I wanted to create a system that was easy to use, highly accurate, and could adapt to changing market conditions. My desire to create AGT was fueled by my belief that technology can make investing more accessible, efficient, and profitable. I wanted to create a platform that could level the playing field for individual investors and help them compete with institutional investors who have access to sophisticated trading systems and resources. So, guys, in summary, my passion for technology, my vision for a more accessible and efficient financial industry, and my desire to create a platform that could benefit investors and traders of all sizes were the driving focuses behind the creation of the AGT system. So guys, let's move on the another one. What is your desired objectives for the business, both the long term and the short term? So guys, when someone asks me about the desired objectives for AGT both in the short term and long term, my answer is that our primary goal is to become a leading provider of AI driven arbitrage trading systems that help investors and traders achieve better returns on their investments. In the short term, our objective includes refining our trading algorithms, improving the accuracy of our trading signals, and expanding our customer base. We aim to provide our customers with a highly efficient and profitable trading system that is easy to use and accessible to traders of all skill levels. And guys, we also plan to expand our offerings to include a wider range of markets and trading instruments, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. By diversifying our offerings, we aim to provide our customers with greater flexibility and more opportunities to profit from the markets. In the long term, our objectives include becoming a globally recognized leader in the field of AI-driven arbitrage trading system. We aim to expand our operations to new markets and geographies and to continue to innovate and develop new trading strategies that help our customers achieve their investment objectives. Guys, we also plan to build strong partnerships with other industry players, including financial institutions, trading platforms, and technology providers. By working together, we can leverage each other's strengths and resources to create a more efficient and profitable trading ecosystem for our customers. Ultimately, our desired objective is to provide our customers with a best in class trading platform that is powered by AI and delivers consistent returns. We believe that by staying true to our vision and focusing on our customers' needs, we can achieve our objectives and establish AGT as a leader in the world of AI driven arbitrage trading. Guys, let's move to another one. The fourth question is everyone ask, and this question is in everyone's mind. Talk to us about the performance of the trading board and why it is took you 4 years to develop it. Again, what makes the boards very unique and special? So, guys, AGT's trading board performance will depend on variety of factors such as market conditions, the strategy it employs, and the quality of data it's trained on. Developing a trading board that performs consistently and effectively over time is challenging task that requires significant research, expertise, and computational power. It's not uncommon for such a project to take several years to develop, test, and refine. One of the reasons it may have taken 4 years to develop AGT's trading board is the need to gather and analyze the vast amount of historical market data to train the algorithm. This process involves identifying patterns and trends in the market and developing a strategy that can accurately predict future movements. Additionally, the algorithm needs to be tested throughoutly to ensure that it performs consistently in various market conditions. So, guys, the unique and special aspect of boards like AGT is their ability to use advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze and process large amount of market data quickly and accurately. This enables them to make informed trading decisions in real time, often faster and more efficiently than human traders. Boards can also operate 24/7 without being affected by emotions or other human bias that may influence human traders' decisions. This can lead to more consistent and profitable trading results over time. All right, guys. So let's move to the another one, which is like, um, why did you choose Binance as your liquidity pool and not using them as your payment gateway? Was it a business strategy for you? So this question, I am receiving these questions from a lot of people. So that's why I added these questions to so let me answer you. So guys, choosing Binance as a liquidity pool for AGT is a strategic decision based on several factors. Binance is one of the largest and the most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges globally, with a wide range of trading pairs and high liquidity. Using Binance as a liquidity pool can provide AGT with access to a large pool of liquidity, allowing it to execute trades more quickly and efficiently. However, it is also important not to rely solely on one exchange or liquidity pool, as this could increase the risk of volatility and potential loss. By using multiple payment gateways, AGT can diversify its risk and reduce its exposure to any single exchange or liquidity pool's performance. Guys, choosing not to use Binance as a payment gateway is based on the major factor. For example, other payment gateways are offering us better fees or services. Ultimately, the decision to use Binance as a liquidity pool and not a payment gateway is a strategic business decision based on our specific needs and goals. By diversifying our payment gateways and liquidity pools, AGT can ensure that it can execute trades efficiently while reducing its risk and exposure to any single exchange or payment gateways. So I hope, guys, your question and your doubt is clear that why we are using other payment gateways, not just Binance. Okay. So let's move to the another one, which is why should investors trust the system and how sustainable is the business for years to come? How is AGT different from other businesses that have failed in the past? So guys, investors should trust the AGT for several reasons. Firstly, the AGT team consists of experienced professionals with a proven track record in finance and technology. I have developed a unique trading platform that utilizes advanced algorithms and trading strategies to generate profitable arbitrage opportunities across multiple exchanges. Secondly, the AGT has been throughoutly tested and validated by external auditors and independent third party experts. ensuring its re- uh, reliability and effectiveness. Furthermore, the platform is constantly monitored and updated to ensure it is always performing at its best. Thirdly, AGT is committed to transparency and accountability. The company regularly provides updates and reports on its performance and financial to its investors, ensuring they are always informed about the status of their investments. And guys, regarding the sustainability of the business, AGT has a strong and scalable business model that is designed to generate consistent returns for its investors over the long term, guys. The company has a well diversified portfolio of assets, which helps to mitigate risks and ensure a stable and sustainable stream of revenue. AGT is also different from other businesses that have failed in the past in several ways. Firstly, the company operates in highly regulated and scrutinized financial industry, which requires a high level of compliance and oversight. AGT has obtained all the necessary licenses and permits to operate in its target market, ensuring that it is fully compliant with all relevant regulations and laws. Secondly, AGT's business model is based on arbitrage trading, which is a well established and proven trading strategy that has been used by professional traders for many years. Unlike other businesses that have relied on unsteady or speculative strategies, AGT's approach is based on sound financial principles and strategies, guys. So, finally, AGT has a strong focus on risk management and has implemented robust risk management protocols to mitigate the risk associated with trading in volatile and unpredictable markets. This ensures that the company is well positioned to weather any market downturns or unexpected events that may arise in the future. So, guys, let's move to the another one. But before that, I need just a second. Okay, guys. So the next question uh, arrives in my DMs is, how are you coping with the issues of insecurity and hackers trying to breach the walls of your system? So, guys, AGT takes the security of its platform and its users that are very, very, very serious. The company employs a range of security measures to protect against hacking attempts and, unauthorized access, including advanced encryption technologies, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. AGT also has a dedicated team of security experts who monitor the platform 24/7 to detect and respond to any security threats. In the event of security breach, AGT has a well-defined incident response plan in place to mitigate the impact and quickly restore normal operations. This includes notifying affected users, investigating the incident to identify the source of the breach, and, implementing measures to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. So, guys, overall, AGT is committed to maintaining the highest levels of security and privacy for its users. The company recognizes that cybersecurity threats are an ongoing concern, and it remains vigilant in its efforts to protect against them. I hope, guys, I am clear to you because many people are come to my DM and call me and always ask about security. So I hope this question is now clear to all of you. So let's move to the another one. As investors compound, as investor compound and the capital and profit volumes grow massively, how can you sustain the payouts from the system, especially with the Ultra Board 7 version 7.0? Okay. So guys, AGT is well structured. We have not received any errors, and also as long as our contract with these gateways, which is not more than $100,000 per wallet, is maintained, we will not have any problem. And recently I have contacted this gateways and everything is fine. The boat has made a crazy amount of profits, only a very few losses, which does not even affect us, guys. If HET chooses to pay you with only what has been made by these boats without accepting any more deposits, AGT can comfortably pay you 10% daily for 20 years. Let me repeat, AGT can comfortably pay you 10% for 20 years, guys. So, guys, Ultra Robot is a beast and its precision is absolute. Also, guys, I want you to know that we have everything in place. That is why sometimes I may not reply some DMs because I don't ever want AGT to shut down even for a day without activities. It is a thing of joy to see people happy every day, and I will continue to be an open book in every activity that I do. So, guys, let's move to the another question, which is talk to us about the roadmap and the proposed payment for both subscription that will start in August 2023. So, guys, I was noticing that many peoples are concerned about the boat fees in August 2023. So let me clear you for now. The roadmap is laid down guide for AGT. It does not mean the project ends where the roadmap ends, because many people keep coming and ask that we have the roadmap or for only particular time. So that's why I am clearing these things. We believe after the adoption, we will be even more popular than exchanges. However, there are some new improvements which are not on the roadmap, which may be introduced from time to time. And secondly, guys, I want to address a reoccurring question, which is what will happen to those whose trades will run until August? The plan is to deduct the board price from their running trade, guys. Only new users with no active trade will have to buy per trade. And you can buy multiple boats in the same account for the amount. It will not be disclosed yet. We are still making estimate, guys. So I hope this is now clear to all of you. And guys, the main question now, let's come to my favorite, the most lovable and favorite question. Talk to us about your charity works and why is it so dear to you? So guys, let me tell you, I have a passion for helping others, and that my parents instilled those values in me. When we help others, it not only benefits the people we are assisting, but also gives us a sense of fulfillment and purpose. I hope all of you can relate with me on this, because this answer is I am giving from the bottom of my heart. Okay. So guys, the charity works impacts me a lot personally. Perhaps I have learned new skills or gained a better understanding of the challenges facing the community. Overall, my love for charity work is inspiring, and I hope I continue to make a positive impact on the lives of others. I am allowing you, some people to, if they want to give any suggestions or any questions they want to ask, they can simply ask. Um, but make sure you put a shirt or any cloth on yourself because this is a professional meeting. So if any co-host found you without clothes, they will simply mute you guys. Okay. So I will give the room for talk to the person one by one. And please make sure you have raised the hand if there is something you want to ask or you want to talk to about. There is a guy named Rashid Adam. You can now unmute yourself and please make sure you put your video on so that I can be able to see or the co-host can be able to see.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Very good evening from India.
Okay. Please, how are you, sir? I hope you are doing good. I just want to congratulate you for the great work that you are doing. And over here in Ghana, we are so much excited for the work that you are doing. May God bless you and increase you. But I have just some few questions. I just want some small clarification. I hope
Okay.
I can go ahead.
So, first of all, thank you so much for your appreciation. And you can, yes, you can go ahead with your questions, but uh, make sure you should ask the questions one by one, one at a time. All right.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much. The first one is that the work that you are doing, we want to know how sustainable this work can go. Example, if people, about 2,000 people, right now we are about 45,000 people, if all of them are going to subscribe on a 60 days boot, which is giving 5%, you and I know that they will be getting about billions and millions and trillions of dollars. We want to know how sustainable that can be paid out. Example, if people choose to compound $2,000 for 1 year, Mr. Rohit, it will be difficult because the amount of money they will get, it will be so huge. So we are suggesting that for the sustainability to go on, why don't you cap or put a limit on the compounding so that people can compound for like 6 months and then they what? Withdraw. Because if they compound for like 1 year, the amount of money they will get is just beyond speaking. And we all know that the cryptocurrency market in the global world is about 1.1 trillion. And when you look at the chart, you are seeing profit about 328 trillion and billions. It doesn't look a bit sustainable when that happens. So we are suggesting that for the long term, can you put a cap or limit on the compounding so that we can trust the sustainability? Thank you very much.
So for that, first you should read the roadmap, and I have already explained all that. You just asked. I have already explained. If you missed it, you can watch the recorded Zoom. I will be sharing the Zoom link, the recorded Zoom link after the meeting ends. Okay, and I already said AGT can pay without deposit for 20 years. So I hope I am clear to you. And
Okay.
also,
Okay.
guys,
Yes.
it's my humble request to all of you that please do not ask basic questions. Do not ask what I have just talked about.
Okay. 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 Thank you very much.
IGHO, if you are there, uh, you can now unmute yourself. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah. Good afternoon, Mr. Rohit.
a very good evening from India. May I know
Okay.
your name? Like what's IGHO? I can't understand the name.
IJ show in my local parlance means money.
Okay,
Ego means money. So It simply means money makes you who you are. So that's why I'm looking for money in agency.
That's nice.
The question first, you said we should be fast with our questions, so I'll just go straight.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I can't hear you. Please repeat again.
yes, you said we should be fast with our questions and not go back to appreciations, and so that we can make use of our time.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So quickly, the question I'm trying to ask is if the trading period, for instance, somebody that puts in $1,000 for 60 days, and the trading period of 60 days has elapsed, the does the boat start another 60 days, or the boat can just be trading, and anytime the person wishes to withdraw his or her money, the person can actually do the withdrawal? I need a
Your
clearance on that.
uh, your voice is fluctuating a lot. Let me check my internet connection. Yeah, it's working. So I just said, guys, do not ask basic questions. If you if you have any basic questions, you can simply go to the official Telegram channel. You can find all the answers of your questions. But let me answer this. The board can be trading, and you can withdraw anytime you wish to withdraw. You wish to withdraw. I hope I'm clear to you.
Yes, because I just joined, so I wouldn't know if that has been answered. Anyhow, I'm grateful for that. Thank you very much.
It's okay. So now let's move to the another person. Sen, you can now unmute yourself.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good as always. What about you?
Yeah, I'm talking from New Jersey. I have a good question because right now I was checking how stable is our
What did
stable
you
coin. How stable is the USDT TRC20? So right now we have around 73 millions of USDT. So USDT TRC20 is a good coin. It's a good stable coin, but knowing this world, all these changes that are gonna be, the dollar is gonna be probably is gonna go down. Would you like maybe to change later the stable coin to another stable coin that is better, that has a better regulation, like the USDTC maybe or D? Have you ever think to change the stable coin later? Because I feel like in the long term, this stable coin is not gonna be so sustainable.
Yeah. So for this, you should also check our roadmap. You will find that we have talk about the change of the deposit currency, which will be our own ultra token. So it will be used for in future, right? I hope I am clear to you. And if there is any need for a change of mode from USDT to another crypto before our launching of ultra token, it will be communicated, guys.
Nice. That's good. I like that.
Yeah.
Excellent. So I'm more than safe. Thank you so much. You are doing a great job. You're changing lives.
So let's move on to another.
Yes, hi, Mr. Palmer. How are you? This is Lady D from Canada.
I am really good. May I request you to please turn your camera on?
Very well. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for today's good things. Yes. So just a couple of things. The guy, the ego guy, Ugo, I don't think you really answered the question he asked, because I believe he was asking that once you've surpassed the days of the minimum days required for each investment, for instance, the 60 days of investment at the 5%, upon the completion of that trading, the 60 days, can he leave that balance there and still continue to yield at
Sorry for
5%,
sorry
or
for
does he go
interrupting. Your
back to
voice
a,
is fluctuating a lot. I can't even hear you.
oh, oh my goodness. Okay, is it better now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay, so I was just reiterating that question of his because you didn't quite answer it. You know, that his question was upon the completion of the trading. You know, the what's it called? The days that it has to be on hold upon the completion of the 60 days. Do you still continue seeing the 5% um, combined ROI, or does it revert back to a 24 hours interest?
Um, the last part you said, uh, it was unclear, but let me answer you. Okay. So if you leave it without withdrawing, you will be able to see it.
After the completion of the 60
Yeah.
days, let's assuming he decides that he wants to take some of the funds off on the 70th day. Will between the 60th and the 70th, will the compounding still be at 5%, or will it go back to the I believe it's 2.3% daily?
Yeah, it will be every 24 hours, not 60 days anymore.
Right. But the compounding, the percentage on the ROI, will it still be at the 5%, or will it revert to the 2.3?
It will be revert to 2.3.
That was what he was asking. You know what I mean? So essentially, upon the 68th day, if you don't touch it, I was of the belief, and so is many people, that the ROI will still be at that percentage that it was prior. You know, the agreed upon. Because if you're on a boat 7, for instance, the V7, the what's it called? The trade percentage should be at a 5%. So upon the completion of the 60 days,
I'm really very sorry. Actually, your voice, due to your voice fluctuation, I did not understand what you were asking. So now it's clear to me. So compounding will still be 5%. Okay.
okay,
And it will not change. It will be it will still be 5% after 60 days, but it will be your funds will not be locked for 60 days again.
got you.
At every
Okay,
24 hours you will be able to see.
all right, awesome. So thank you very much, and do check your DM. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So now let's move to another one. Divya Chaudhary, you can now unmute yourself.
यस हेलो
Hello.
हाँ रोहित सर मैं इंडिया से बोल रहा हूँ
Okay, okay, okay. So, if you are comfortable with English, so please, I will. आप
अपना हिंदी एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास है
कंफर्टेबल है तो आप इंग्लिश में बात कीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती है.
बट मैं एक बार हिंदी बोल लेता हूँ
या श्योर श्योर श्योर.
मेरा कहना ये है कि मैंने परसों मेरा एक क्लाइंट से मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया है एजीटी जो मेरा एक दोस्त था तो मैंने 7.01 में लगाया है अपना बोट में $100 ओके तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि 60 दिन के बाद में अपन विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. अगर अपन को विड्रॉ नहीं करना है तो कंटिन्यू चला ऑटोमेटिक होता जाएगा कि तुम करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. So अभी जो लेडी को क्वेश्चन कर रही थी जिनसे
हाँ, वही मैं
उनका
वही
भी
पूछा था।
क्वेश्चन था। तो
हाँ हाँ
जब आपके 60 डेज कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं,
हाँ हाँ,
बट बिफोर कैन यू प्लीज टर्न योर कैमरा ऑन?
यस यस, एक मिनट। हाँ,
ओके।
हम्म,
सो मैंने उनको यही बताया कि
हम्म,
जब 60 डेज कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं, राइट,
हम्म,
तब आप जो बोट है वो आपका जो प्रॉफिट है और आपका जो कैपिटल है वो रिलीज कर देता है, तो आपके वॉलेट में आप मूव कर सकते हैं 61
ओके
डे, राइट।
ओके,
वो अगर रखते हैं, रखे रहने देते हैं उसे बिना विड्रॉ किए,
हाँ हाँ,
वहीं पे 5% के साथ कंपाउंड करता रहेगा, पर वो
ओके
अनदर 60 डेज के लिए लॉक नहीं होगा, वो हर 24 आवर्स में कंपाउंडिंग करता रहेगा।
ओके ओके, राइट राइट। और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि बाइनेंस में कितने टाइम में आता है?
फाइनेंस में मतलब आप विड्रॉल की बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ हाँ,
ओके। सो जब आप विड्रॉ करते हैं तो जो बोट है वो रिपोर्ट सेंड करता है ब्लॉकचेन को।
ओके
जब जैसे ही विड्रॉल विंडो बंद होता है 11
ओके,
बजे, राइट।
यस
सो बोट उसी टाइम
Rupees
उसी
90
टाइम बोट
received on phone pay.
रिपोर्ट सेंड करता है,
ओके
एंड उसके 10 से 15 मिनट में आपको विड्रॉ आपका मिलता है, राइट।
ओके ओके ओके। रोहित सर थैंक यू, मैं आपके मतलब बहुत अच्छा प्लान है और बहुत बढ़िया लगा। सुपर, आपका ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा मैं।
ओके, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
So guys, let's move to the another one, which is Vamsi. You can now unmute yourself and please make sure your video is on.
Good evening, Rohitji. I'm from Chennai.
Yeah, okay.
Am I audible
Welcome to
clearly?
the AGT family. Your name is Vamsi.
Yes, my name is Vamsi.
Vamsi.
It is the meaning of the flute in Krishna's hand.
Okay, okay. So you have a very
I
nice.
think, thank you, Rohitji. I'm very excited about the updates you are giving from locally. I've started journey with you from around
Your voice is
February.
your voice is not coming properly. If you are using an earphone, you should remove it or try to say as clear as possible.
Rohitji now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been associated with AGT from day one. Around February 20th, I've started doing, and I'm building the team also, and the system is running very correctly, and the updates you are been giving, and the portal working is very smooth and user friendly.
Okay.
But things are what you are being giving as a returns are unimaginable.
Thank you so much, Vamsi, for your appreciation. I appreciated it much.
The only question I want to ask is regarding cryptocurrency issues happening internationally.
Yeah.
Are we been following those, and according to that, are we planning? Is the only question I want to know, because
Yeah, if there is something else like this, so I will keep update everyone regarding the same in our official Telegram channel. So you should be updated about all the news and all the voice notes I shared to the channel. Okay.
I'm following you,
I
Reggie.
will be communicating about this if anything happens regarding the same. All right.
Thank you, Reggie.
Okay.
Have a abundance ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So now let's move to the another one, which is edX Connect. You can now unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. I'm calling from Nigeria. My name is Adex Connect. I want to ask a question
Yeah, sure.
that
Please go ahead.
you said. I'm showing you my video is on. Are you seeing me now?
Just a second, just a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
And my question is,
The video is on. So
yes, it's on. You can see me now?
yeah,
Okay.
you should
My
go.
question is this. Because of the compounding, like somebody said, if you drop $2,000 and it compounded for like even a 6 months, that is going to bring a huge amount. Now, my question is this: with this ROI you are paying, don't you think the government of some countries can come after you to stop, or what do you think about that? And if such a thing happen, how are you going to handle it?
I have already answered this. If you have missed you can watch the recorded Zoom. So you will get your answers, and yeah.
But I've been following. You didn't talk about if any government in any country come after the AGT and said they are paying much money or they are going to stop them. Is there anything you can do so that such a thing will not happen? Or if it eventually happens, what are you going to do about it?
Okay, so first of all, we are using cryptocurrency, not a fiat currency. And
Yes.
we also have plans for that. Okay.
Okay.
So there is no need to worry about these things. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. So guys, let's move to the another one, which is Rakesh Kumar. You can now unmute yourself.
नमस्कार सर, मैं हिंदी में ही बात कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है।
Yeah, sure.
आई एम सॉरी। मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ सर कि अभी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं भगवान से रोज प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आपको हमेशा स्वस्थ रखे और हम लोगों के साथ हमेशा बनाए रखे। और दूसरी बात मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि सर, एजीटी बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ को चेंज करने वाला है।
Yeah.
बहुत जल्दी बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जिंदगी में खोया है, उनको एक नई जिंदगी की सुबह आप देने वाले हैं। तो एक मतलब गॉड ने आपको जो काम करने के लिए दिया है, मतलब मैं आपको सैल्यूट करता हूँ सर।
Thank you
और दूसरी बात
so much, Mr.
दूसरी बात सर मैं ये
appreciation.
जी सर।
Yeah, please go ahead.
जी सर, एक क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा सर कहना चाह रहा हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट है सर मेरी।
Yeah,
ये
go
सर
ahead.
जो मूव वॉलेट जब होता है, मूव वॉलेट का जो टाइमिंग है वो 10 से 11 के बीच में ही दी गई है। क्या ऐसा नहीं हो सकता सर कि इसको फ्री किया जाए, कभी भी हम मूव द वॉलेट कर सके?
No, एक्चुअली क्या
तो
होता
उससे
है,
हम लोग
जब बोट ट्रेडिंग कर रहा होता है, तब आप उसको
जी सर।
बीच में हम कहते हैं ना, हम छेड़ नहीं सकते उसको, राइट?
अच्छा।
That's why this is the time window, withdrawal window. The time withdraw window opens is that when the boat stops trading, so that everyone can easily move their funds to their wallet.
जी
Yeah, okay.
जी सर। जी
Rakesh, Mr. Rakesh, thank you so much. Now, guys, let's move to the another one. Many people are, many people have already raised their hands, and it's kind of confusing whom to unmute. And Aman Joseph, you can now unmute yourself. Man Joseph, are you there? Hello.
And I hope my camera is on.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, it's your background is a bit noisy, but it's okay. You can go ahead.
Okay. What I wanted to ask was about and I was wondering if we can integrate this thing application for the AGT.
Sorry.
If AGT could run on apps like to be on Play Store, so you can download it right through your phone instead of going to the web to browse for it.
Okay. So I have said it many times that app will become later. So there is no need for it now. Yeah.
Okay.
I will keep updating whenever we are good to go to launch an app. I will be updating to everyone.
I wanted to say something. There was something that happened today when we rescheduled the meeting. There's another, I think, another site that's trying to copy AGT, something like Beats Age. I don't know the person that is linking our phone numbers to them that
Can
they
you
sent me.
repeat again? Can you repeat again?
There is another site that's copying AGT, and then they sent me an SMS to my two numbers. I don't know who linked them or who gave them my numbers. I don't know how they got the number.
You
And
should
then
you should block off them.
I did that, but I
They
was just monitoring the Telegram. And
whoever
they
is copying, let me tell you, whoever is copying AGT, they will surely fail. You should report and block.
yeah, and I want you to look into maybe your team if they are any of them are the ones distributing those numbers or giving them information
No,
about.
we do not disclose our investors secure data to anyone.
Okay, all right.
All right. So guys, let's move to another, which is Tiku. TIKU. You can now unmute yourself. Tiku, are you there? Hello.
Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Very good evening from India.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello.
Your face is not showing actually.
Okay. Can you see my face now?
Just a second. Yeah. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. There's one very simple question I want to ask.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, it's also about the version 7 bot.
Sorry.
I want to talk about the version 7 bot
Yes, please.
and the overall sustainability.
I have
So
cleared
one
that.
thing I really
Guys, if you do not put any shirt or any cloth on yourself, I will simply mute you. I already cleared it in the starting of the meeting. So now let's move to another one. And this will be the last question I am giving the room to the last person. So Prince Prince Quarshay, you can now unmute yourself.
Hi, Mr. Rogi. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Uh, good afternoon. My name is
Hello. Okay, so
doing and also the whatever work you are doing. My question.
your voice is fluctuating a lot. So I am
I've been on
for
for a
now.
while.
I am muting you for now because I can't even hear you. Okay, guys. The last question. Then I have to just a second, guys. Caleb Caleb Gold, you can now unmute yourself. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me? Good afternoon.
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Okay, that's nice. I really commend you for what you are doing. Very good, and also culture. I love the way you do your thing.
No, no, no. Hold on, hold on.
Yeah,
I can't hear you. I can't hear you properly now.
okay. I said, can you hear me now? Is it better now?
Your voice is too low.
Is it better now?
Um,
No.
Yaqub Salman, you can now unmute yourself. Make sure you turn your video on.
Hello.
Make sure to you have your video on.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for the project. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Now I want to ask two questions. The first one has to do with the skipped ROI. The
Okay.
skipped ROI. What are you doing about the the dropping? Because it has happened to me 2 times. It has happened to me 2 times, and it has not dropped. So what are you doing about it? Then I want to ask secondly about your religion, because the moment we log into the site, it shows us a language, Arabic language. So I want to know your religion. Thank you very much.
It has added for most already, and it is still rectifying because some people have already received their skipped ROI, and some are receiving it one by one.
Okay. Your religion, sir?
So about my religion, I am Hindu by religion. Okay.
I
Like
can't.
Indian, we can say. So in Hindi, we say Hindu, we say Hindu to Indians, right?
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay. So guys, I have a surprise. Yeah, we can say I have something to show you, all of you. But for that, you need to allow me just maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So I will be sharing my screen and I will show you something. But I request all of you not to leave the meeting, because the thing I wanted to share is really very important to me as well as all of you. So make sure you do not leave the meeting. You can have water, or you can just relax for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be right back, and I'll be see you in 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Let me tell, I want to talk to you personally, because I saw you that you are on the hospital bed right now. Okay. So you should DM me with the bills, your hospital bills. So I will be supporting you. I will support you. So make sure you share your bills to me personally over the Telegram or over the WhatsApp. Okay. If you can hear me, kindly respond. Okay, guys. Looks like he's unable to respond. So okay, just make sure you DM me personally. So and please, I'm repeating again. Please share your hospital bills to me. I'll support you regarding the same. Right. So guys, just allow me some time. I will be back with the amazing thing I wanted to share with all of you. So I wanted to share some I was talking about, right? Let me share my screen with all of you. And right now you will be able to see something really very amazing. I hope you guys can be able to see the live trades now. Okay. So you can check here. This is our robot. Look at this, guys, the speed and the current record analysis, guys. And I just want to show you something, and we will wait for some time. So like you can see that the board opened a position, and yeah, this is the Ultra 2.1. You can see here, you can see this closed with profit, and you can check current record analysis. And now let me show you. This is our board Ultra 4.0. You can see, like you can see here, guys. We have make a loss, but yeah, this small loss cannot affect AGT in any way, guys. Yeah, this is true that the board sometimes make losses, but this won't be affect the AGT in any way, guys. So you can check here. This is Ultra 4.0, and yeah, you can see that is exactly I want to share with you guys. You can now see the withdrawal window opens, and now the board has started releasing the capitals. Right. So the board started this. This time you got an option for in your AGT trades move to wallet in this particular time period, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Indian time, guys. So this is exactly what I wanted to share with all of you, so that you can see this. And now let's get back to Ultra version 4.0. And also you can see the amount is also decreasing, guys. The boat is releasing its capital, whichever which is locked by the capital for 24 hours. So it will be decreasing time by time. Okay. So let's get back to Ultra 4.1, sorry, 4.0. Yeah, it's the same here. You can check our Ultra version 4.0. I'm not showing 7.0 because okay, guys, so that's all for now. Let me come back to the Zoom again. Alright, so I hope everyone will be able to see the live trades. Alright, so guys, as we come to the end of our meeting, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude for your participation and engagement today. Your insightful questions and thoughtful contributions have made this meeting a success, guys. I hope that you found this meeting informative and beneficial. Our team at AGT is dedicated to providing the best possible services and support to our clients and investors. And your feedback and input are invaluable to us, guys. Once again, thank you all for joining us today. I look forward to our next meeting and continuing our productive discussions, guys.